Here's how I set up the Petsafe compact wireless fence to keep my dog safe without installing a physical fence. So first we got this compact transmitter which will emit a radio signal anywhere between 22 or 105 feet. Depending on your preference, it's super easy to set up. All you have to do is press those plus minus buttons and the max it will go is 105 feet. I'm going to do less than 50 in this scenario. Next is the beeping collar which needs to be charged. It will glow red to indicate that it is charging. You can choose the correction level for your dog from levels 1 to 6. When they cross the boundary, they'll hear a warning beep. Next, place your training flags. These help your dog visually understand where the safe zone ends. Make sure the collar is snug and the contact points sit right under your dog's neck. That's key for it to work properly. My dog learned the boundaries super quickly and now I can let him roam while knowing he's still safe. Setup was honestly easier than I expected, you guys. So if you're looking to avoid digging or wiring, get this today so your dog has the freedom to roam.